Hello everyone. So we did a horse camping trip to Rancho Oso in Santa Barbara. It's kind of in the hills of Santa Ynez, along the Santa Ynez River. It is a property owned by Thousand Trails, which is a membership camping organization nationwide. I don't know exactly what it is. Anyway, we used to have a horse camping membership and we used to go a lot, but the last time we went was about 8 years ago. And we wanted to get our whole group going, and it was just too much coordination. But we went with just our immediate family and our 4 main family horses. And yeah, we had a really good time, and I thought I would do a little video, show you what it's all about. Thought I'd just give you the lowdown on what it's about and what it's like to go horse camping there if you were ever thinking of going there. So the first thing you probably want to think about is where you're coming from. For us, we are in Ventura at our ranch. We live up in the Ojai Valley, but our ranch, Cañada Larga, is off the 33 in Ventura on the way to Ojai. And we have a living quarters 4-horse gooseneck trailer. We used to pull it with a 2002, I believe, F-250. And you know, it was a great truck. The truck went about 300,000 miles for us. Was still going strong in the engine, but you know, just stuff, the seats were starting to get worn out, and you know, I was just concerned that hauling kids and horses everywhere. I had an older truck that was starting to have things kind of go wrong here and there. Nothing major. It was a great truck. So we ended up getting a newer, I think it's a 2013 F-250 King Ranch version Ford, another diesel. We had a gooseneck hitch put in it, and oh, it is just night and day with that big trailer having a truck with the newer towing features on it, the engine braking alone, oh my gosh. So when we used to go to Santa Ynez, instead of going straight up and over from the 101 to the 154, we used to go the 101 all the way around to like Buellton, and then come backtrack on the 154 rather than go up and over the 154 from Santa Barbara. I had a scary trailering incident going up and over one time with our old Chevy truck and our stock trailer when the wiring came out of the trailer, and I lost the trailer brakes, which then meant I pretty much lost my truck brakes coming down that grade, and it was hairy. So ever since then, we've played it safe and we've gone around. Now with this new truck with the really good trailering features, it's a heavier duty truck for the weight of the trailer. We felt like we could go up and over, and we did. We went straight from Santa Barbara up the 154 to Paradise Road. Barely had to touch my brakes. Pretty much set the truck in third coming down the hill, at some points maybe second, and then just put my foot off the brake, and it just held at either second or third wherever I put it, and barely had to touch the brake. So it was awesome. So if you are coming from the south, Ventura, LA, Santa Barbara, make sure you've got a truck that can handle a pretty darn steep grade if you're going to go straight up the 154. Otherwise, I would go along the coast all the way to 101 until Buellton and then backtrack, which is a total drag. I mean, no lie. It's a total drag. It makes your trip like twice as long, or for us, it would have made the trip twice as long, but it doesn't have the steep grades, and you're going to have lots of twisties along the 154 backtracking, but hey, unless you really know your rig can do that downhill grade and your brakes are good and you've got the engine braking, it's probably not worth it to take the shortcut. Are going horse camping. Everything is ready. Just need to open our dividers and bring in the horses and kick out the dogs. Okay, so Rancho Oso is totally cute.
I regret not having a video coming down into the canyon, but I was driving because driving the trailer makes me less anxious than having someone else driving the trailer. But here is some pictures of the Western Village, which is where the horse camping is. And here is a map of the entire facility. So by the time we got there on Thursday afternoon, we decided to let the horses just settle in, and we decided to hike around and explore since it had been a while. How'd you know to even come up here to look for water? Oh, cool. Scared to death I'm going to drop my phone.
It's waterproof.
Mine's not.
It's waterproof.
It is?
Yes.
I did not know that.
That's why I got it. Let's see if you're going to do it again. There we go. Go to mama.
That's not mama. Ah. He's singing in circles like a little toy. What are you getting, Spencer? What is it? Okay.
So pretty and crystally. Hi, corn dog.
Aw, dang it. Gosh, sure, the little Loch Ness monster going around.
Okay, I blame the next several clips on Trader Joe's. I was shopping for our camping trip and I got a couple of adult beverages, and the cashier asked me about the stuff on the end cap. She asked me if I had tried the vodka tonic strawberry lemonade things on the end cap for the last 3 weeks, and I decided to pick those up. Bad choice.
That doesn't change.
I need to see what the hell.
You don't mess with that one. You go to the
A
ones
bunch
that are-
of, I go horse showing with a bunch of girls. They put up this tent.
This is a new tent. How do you do this? What are the?
I think Rumi
Girls can do it. You can do it.
I think Rumi single-handedly put up this tent at Shepherd Ranch. Didn't she?
Okay, Rumi's awesome, so that's not that fair.
Oh yeah, Hunter versus Rumi.
No chance. Rumi rocks.
Rumi has like serious, like, what is, like, not the word dedication, like
Perseverance.
grit and perseverance and determination. Determination, I think, is the word. What are you
You're
doing?
twisting the tarp.
Oh, God. Ah. It went in my toe. How is that even possible?
I'm eating Caesar salad out of a bag while he's being impaled by things on the ground.
You can do it. do you need assistance?
My toes.
No, I think he can do it by himself.
How much vodka have we consumed, Rusty? A bottle yet?
No. Well, we can finish it if you want to.
No.
Oh no, it's
Don't.
pretty close though.
I'm hiding it.
You're gonna hide it?
Yeah.
No.
Does that be in the refrigerator?
No.
You need to hide it. It doesn't matter where you hide it.
How do you get this small? This is too big for this tiny tarp.
It doesn't matter.
Well then,
What's the point of the tarp?
exactly.
The point of the tarp is to keep the moisture from pulling up from the ground into your sleeping bag.
Are we sitting on top of like a spring or something?
At night, condensation comes up through the ground.
I've stopped listening.
I'm
You
eating
usually do.
I'm eating Caesar salad out of a bag, and I'm at the bottom, and there are all these croutons. I don't usually eat croutons.
Oh my gosh.
Have I mentioned I'm eating Caesar salad out of
Yes,
a bag
3 times no.
with my fingers?
3 times.
Why is that so important to you?
It's weird.
Hi.
Ella's hiding.
Yeah.
Hunter, do you want me to toss a hammer at you?
Do not throw the hammer.
Okay, I won't throw the hammer. I'm not Thor.
You're not funny.
So this
tried.
videoing plus eating Caesar salad from a bag
God.
Hunter's
with
first
my
tent.
hands. Compliments of
You have never set up a tent by yourself.
For my birthday party many a time.
You have never set up a tent by yourself.
I have.
This is the first time.
anyway. Compliments of Trader Joe's end cap with vodka tonics with strawberry lemonade. Oh, got a hammer. Watch out.
Oh my god.
Watch out. Dog scared.
Don't hit your fingers.
Where did I put the steak?
Wait, where's the? Oh, there it is.
On the grill.
I ate all the salad. Good morning. Do you want to go somewhere? Ella's getting her pone going. Yes. Let him play. He's like, now it's good. Wow, he's thirsty.
That's a lot of water. Alright, you ready to go?
Oh, I was so busy being low in this thing. I didn't see all the cattails at the top. They're so pretty. He is thirsty. See, this is what I was saying. Like, oh yeah, he likes water now. Like, because this is what he does now. Stepping all big. Stop spooking at everything.
Good boy. So we went on a nice trail while horseback riding and camping at Rancho Oso called the Waterfall Trail. And we didn't ride horses for it, but it was a really nice trail. It was in a canyon. It was really overgrown with trees and foliage, so it was pretty nice and shaded. And we went all the way up past a bunch of fallen trees and rock slides with the dogs, the two dogs, and there were all of us, me, Ella, Mom, and Dad. And we finally got to this waterfall, and it's really pretty, but there's a spot at the top that I wanted to get to. And my mom wouldn't let me because
There's no going to the hospital.
It's too dangerous, apparently. It was only like 40 feet up, and there was like a rope and everything.
And moss and slippery rocks
but-
and a plunge to your death.
But it looked cool at the top. It looked like there was a little spring or something. So I wanted to go there, but sadly couldn't. But the waterfall is really pretty. Bunch of bees everywhere. But yeah, it was lovely.
Maybe next time you could climb it.
Maybe next time.
I remember this uphill. I remember parts of it.
I think that's where Mom took me well.
What, the slough?
No, the waterfall thing.
The waterfall thing. Say it again.
I'm surprised a river like this exists somewhere in this desert.
It looks like it's man-made.
They're thirsty. Everything else is dry.
Just don't let the dogs go there.
Poop break. No? No poop break? Go left. That one is the one to our right comes up from the Waterfall Trail.
This is fun. Yeah, thanks.
Are you talking to me? Can you turn your head so I can hear you? I know, they're waiting for us. Get back there. Oh, I can't turn around to see you. I had to carry Churro in the bag, and then the handles of the bag broke because he got overheated. Look at the crazy dog fighting with the stick. There's back in the burn. Yeah, you guys gotta walk us to it or we're gonna get lost.
Wait a second, I'm gonna eat some pistachios for a minute.
Oh my gosh, look at Churro! It's so pretty.
Go get her, Spencer. Go get her. Where's Churro? Churro!
Aw, this is
Good boy. Someone had way too much fun at the river today. This is our good dog.
Oh,
And here's the bad one. Right
This is our pain in the ass dog.
right there.
He's the he's the border collie. He's supposed to be the easy one.
ew! I ate an ant and it's spicy.
Wow.
Ants are spicy. This is the terrier. He's supposed to be the difficult one, but he is sleeping on a chair. This one keeps leaving. So with the COVID protocols, they had new rules for the pool. They would only let one family at a time in the entire pool area, which was kind of cool because your whole family got the place to themselves, but you could only have it for 40 minutes. There was a sign-up sheet and you had to get there at about 8:30 in the morning to get a spot. We figured out we would do our swimming in the river during the day and then get an evening sign-up time for the pool so we could hot tub in the evening.
That was so cool.
Hot tub time for me.
So we're going down the trail. I'm in the lead with Zeppelin.
I'm eating a
and
donut.
You're eating a donut while you're riding your horse?
Yes.
No way. So we're going down the trail. I'm on Zeppelin. He jumps all of a sudden into the brush. A deer about 25, 30 feet away jumps 6 feet in the air, lands, and takes off really fast.
I died.
You didn't die. But you felt like you died because it was scary. But anyways, Zeppelin jumped off to the side real quick. All the other horses spooked. Your horse did what? What Chancey do?
He took off.
Describe it.
He was scared, so he ran.
So he spun and bolted.
Somehow
And-
I stayed on, and then Weston.
And Weston spun and tried to bolt,
But
I had my my jumping bridle on that has some bit with leverage, and I was able to stop him. And I was busy worrying about Ella. By that time, Ella had fallen off onto a log or a stump.
But she was fine. She's always fine when she falls.
Don't say that.
Oh,
Yeah, knock on wood.
Knock on wood. Take it. And then Chancey was wanting to kind of take off. He was about 100 feet away, but
He was farther than 100 feet away at one point.
He got smart and came back. So.
And I was so glad he came back. And he was up on this mound that was full of like gopher or squirrel holes. And like at one point, and when I went to get him or let him down, or at one point, he sunk in a hole up to his hock. So I'm really glad that he didn't gallop back.
But we got back on our horses, right? Well, you did. I was already on mine.
And it was good. And no more deer.
Oh dear.
This is awkward.
So we had a great time and we decided to renew our horse camping membership.